Just in time, understanding a key English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a common and useful English phrase, just in time. This phrase is not only popular but also versatile in various contexts. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and some examples to help you master it. Just in time is a phrase that refers to something happening exactly when it is needed, not too early and not too late. It's often used in situations where timing is critical, and the arrival or completion of something is perfectly aligned with the time it's required. The phrase, just in time, isn't just a casual expression. It has roots in business and manufacturing. It describes a strategy where materials and products are delivered exactly when they are needed, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. However, in everyday English, it's used more broadly to describe any timely occurrence. 1. Catching a train. Imagine running to catch a train and boarding it just as the doors are closing. You got there, just in time. 2. Work deadlines. Completing a project and submitting it right before the deadline is another example of doing something just in time. 3. Surprise events. If you walk into a room moments before a surprise party starts, you arrived just in time. While just in time is a common phrase, there are variations that carry a similar meaning. In the nick of time, this means doing something at the last possible moment. Right on time, this emphasizes punctuality, arriving or happening exactly when expected. Understanding and using the phrase, just in time, can add precision and clarity to your English communication, especially when discussing timing and deadlines. We hope this video helps you incorporate this phrase into your English vocabulary. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.